Forget those thick, heavy pancakes. There's a thinner, more elegant secret waiting for your breakfast or dessert plate. Today, we're diving into the world of Platschinke, the delightful Austrian answer to crepes. These aren't just for fancy restaurants. I'm going to show you how easy it is to whip up these thin, golden beauties right in your own kitchen. Even if you've never made a crepe before, many people shy away from crepes because they think they're tricky, prone to tearing, or just too much fuss. But I promise you, Platschinke are surprisingly forgiving and incredibly fun to make. All you need are a few simple ingredients you probably already have: flour, eggs, milk, a pinch of sugar, and a touch of oil. The magic is really in the batter's consistency. It needs to be super thin, almost like cream. We'll mix it until it's silky smooth, then let it rest for just 15 minutes. This rest is crucial because it lets the gluten relax, making your Platschinke wonderfully tender and less likely to tear. The real secret to perfect Platschinke is a medium-hot pan and a very thin layer of batter. You swirl it quickly, cook for about a minute until the edges crisp slightly, then a quick flip. You'll get that satisfying sizzle and the most beautiful golden brown surface. Fill them with anything from jam and powdered sugar to chocolate hazelnut spread, or even savory fillings. It's an instant trip to a cozy European cafe right from your kitchen. So if you're ready for a breakfast that feels special without being complicated, this recipe is a game changer. Ready for more delicious ideas? Check out our next video.